Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. Yes, we're going on with the Dam Buster. And here we go. These are the parts, but I'm going to show you the magazine first. 45, as you can see right there. Starboard aileron. We'll be making one of those again. Oh, we've got two parts. All right, that's nice. And some coloring on it. And then we'll be putting it on the wing, as you can see right there. Then the last are KB976. A little bit of history, and then what we do in the next part of that. So let's go on and start this beautiful build and put together those ailerons. There we go. We need all these parts, and we've got some more HP screws, so let's get them close. It's all been HP till up until now, so all right, guys. This is B, and this is A, and that is B. But we start with these, and we know what we do to have to do there. And we put this one in. Oh, you can't see it because I'm up too high. You can't put it in wrong. Alright, let's put them back in, because I flipped it around for this little bugger here. Make sure that the R3 is visible. This one is neatly movable. And push everything in neatly so you don't have a gap here. And that is what we should have. Now let's get the wing out, because we're going to put it on. And again, with the R3s visible, like so, we are going to put that wing on, or that flap, or that aileron. First one's on. Let's put the one on the extreme opposite side of it. Put something underneath it, which I have just did, so it's not leaning on the aileron. It's all still HP screws. We've not changed in any. We've not changed to another different screw this time, and that is since pack 3 packs back that we have already started with HP screws. And they're on like so, and they move neatly, as you can see. I know that we're not doing anything with this wing anymore, so I'm going to put it away. .46, as you can see right there. A gun turret. The rear gun turret, even. Or am I not allowed to say that word? The pew pew turret, as you can see right there. And I don't know if we're using any glue with this, but we'll find out if we push the pegs on. A little bit about the Phantom of the Ruhr, the EE193, and the preparations for D-Day, April-May 45. There's a lot of nice history in there. And next time we're going to put some pew-pews on, machine guns with lights in them for the build. They're of course not actual guns, it's just plastic. Alright. These are very tiny things. I think it's very hard for me to show what is actually going on, but I'll try my best. There. that is what we've just put together. Well, I don't know if that works, but we'll see. Alright, so we've put those on. They're saying they have to be all the way down onto that ledge there. Well, we'll leave it at that. Then we're gonna put that on top of it. That's on there pretty good. And that is in. That is what we then have. My goodness, this is these are fragile parts, guys. Be careful. So we're taking that one out. Wowzers. Alright, let's put a little bit of my favorite in there. Why are you not staying in? Okay, we're pushing that little thing on, like if you can see right there, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side, but be careful, that paint is not dry yet and it's very loosely in there. So that is that turret that we made, and I have to be really careful with it because there are parts on it that are drying, so I'm going to put that away. Well guys, that was that is that whole build, that with all the packs that I have done for this time. We're waiting on the new ones, and I hope they will come in very soon, because I want to go on and finish this, go on with this beautiful build. So that was the last stage. 46 was that turret. Is really hard to put together, very small parts, and the last two parts were not staying in properly because well, it doesn't stick by itself, so you have to put a little bit of glue in there, as you can see right there, and that is now drying, and I hope it will do that properly. I have to be careful with that because it's loosely in there. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this Blancaster, or maybe any of those in the background, or any of those on my channel. So hope you will join me then, and see you there. Bye bye.